Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. There is a big transport plane that is Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules. Its price is $75.5 million. Its manufacturer is Lockheed Martin Aeronautics. It was manufactured in 1996 and is under service. There are four Rolls-Royce turboprop engines in this jet. It consumes 4,700 horsepower to fly in the sky. The jet can fly with a maximum speed of 676 km per hour. It can fly continuously 4,426 km distance. Its fuel economy is 0.108 km per liter fuel. It can fly up to 33,000 feet in the sky. The jet can climb 9.3 meter distance in 1 second. It needs 1573 meter distance to take off and 792 meter distance for landing. The jet can fly by carrying maximum load of 79,365 kg, but normally payload on this jet is 21,500 kg. 36,643 liter is its fuel tank capacity. There are 92 general seats fitted in this jet. Its cabin height is 8.99 feet, cabin width is 10.24 feet, cabin length is 55.45 feet, and its exterior length is 112.76 feet. Its tail height is 38.84 feet. This is the best United States aircraft. Okay friends, we will meet in our next video soon.